AHM Kids TV.
Bismillah. Clap your hands, splash some water. Let's learn how Muslims stay clean together. Splash, splash, water so bright. Wudu time feels so right. Wash my hands, face and feet. Bismillah makes it sweet. Cleanliness is Iman, yes it's true. Allah loves when we are clean, me and you. From head to toe, nice and neat. Cleanliness is Iman, repeat. Brush, brush, up and down. Shiny teeth, smile all around. Morning, night, every day. Following Sunnah in a happy way. Cleanliness is Iman, yes it's true. Allah loves when we are clean, me and you. Fresh and bright, big smile too. Cleanliness is Iman. Woo-hoo! Clean clothes, fresh and nice. Looking tidy, feels so bright. No stains here, no dirt there. Muslim kids show we care. Wash, wash, splash, splash, brush, brush, swish, swish. Clean, clean, head to toe. Muslim kids, let it show. Cleanliness is Iman, loud and clear. We stay clean every day.